wanted to ensure that the kids are academically sorted. So all he was working towards was just getting like getting them on grade level, getting their math skills right, just articulating what they want to be, when they grow up. So I think the entire first year was just setting up systems and procedures, I think, which he's done a great job with. This year, now that his systems are in place, what he's aiming towards is much higher. And when we had this conversation with him, and Subodh said that he wanted his kids to be highly self-aware and be able to critically think through any decision that they have to make when they grow older. So all he's done this year is to impart the skills of how do I assess a situation and how do I critically think to learn and help understand myself better. He knew that he had to provide not just an academic intervention but a holistic intervention for his kids. So he walked in knowing what he really wanted to achieve, and his clarity in moving towards a much bigger vision was already there. Subodh experimented with this new concept called blended learning with math. So where there are 4 basic learning stations that are scaffolded in rigor. And so I think that system worked really well. So the kids are able to not just solve the basic factual questions in math, but are able to concretely apply those concepts in their real life as well. And I think the kids have just been practicing those skills over and over again, which has led them to an 89% math mastery in their exams. Apart from that, they've also been working with highly rigorous texts, like I mentioned, like Gulmohar, Macmillan, ensuring that they give Olympiad exams, and they're almost on their grade level. Personally, I think what he wanted to work on was just them being highly compassionate, just enjoying what they're doing and helping others with whatever problems they might have, and also just learning to work in a team and being interdependent rather than being independent learners. They're always working in groups, asking questions to each other, helping each other solve their problems and trying to understand where the other child is stuck. They do drills with younger kids, they do phonics lessons with younger kids. Even at home, like the parents have constantly said that my child is growing, he's helping his siblings, and so I think that way they have become highly compassionate as well. Given the kind of opportunities that the fellows have given their students by just going out, like performing surveys, talking to other teachers, visiting and interacting with so many other stakeholders, I'm very confident that they will be applying these skills in the next few years. What they would definitely need is a lot more parent investment in terms of using these skills and having parents on board, on par. Realized very quickly that he needed to spend a lot of time with his kids and needed to have his parents on board. So in the first 3 months of his fellowship, he actually started running a community center, which increased face time so much more than what our regular schools or regular teachers have with their students. So the parents knew that Subodh is really invested in the students' education. So they have seen him just relentlessly working with his children, and he's having constant interactions during PTMs, calling them. He even has a parent vision scale, which helps the parents understand how invested they need to be in their own students. The first big thing that he did was just getting the HM involved in every single activity that he wanted to do with his kids. And gradually he started, investing his own PMC co-teacher, where he constantly made them see like, okay, if you do this, you can reach this particular outcome. Wherein now you can see the other PMC co-teachers using strategies like reading fluency, helping in group practices, helping in independent practices. And they've also started to employ these strategies in their own classrooms and even in the community center. So for Subodh, the school team doesn't stop with Teach for India fellows, it's the entire school team. Apart from that, he's also not just invested English medium teachers, but there are 4 or 5 other mediums in the school where he's invested them as well. And apart from that, I think he's utilized not just his program manager or his school team, he's utilized Pune as an ecosystem to build on his own skills. So he's reached out to several people like a senior program manager or other fellows or other people in the learning circle to just get ideas and to get information on like what he can do more for a school. So he's constantly engaging in those discussions with the entire ecosystem that's available in the city. So that ensures that he's on the path to not just learning for his kids, but learning for himself.